All right, let's take a look at a set of actual beanies. Now, these are really cool. They have a nice, cool lining. They're perfect for outdoors. They're UV sun protection. You don't need moisturizer or anything. It's a very simple setup. Now, the design of it is kind of like a 3D mesh breathable, right? You can use this underneath your helmet if you ride a bike, a motorcycle, or just every day. Like this day that we went out, it was a little chilly, a little windy, and then a little sunny too. So we got all three items involved in here. Now the the beanies were a hit. They come in multiple colors, and of course, one size fits all, pretty much, because they're stretchable. Perfect for the weather. They're perfect for any kind of weather. Like I said, they're breathable. If you're a jogger, this is a must. Take it out with you on the field, cover your protective head, especially if you're bald like me. This is something you want to put in your list. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.